already have a solid team of experts. But on support calls, things aren't flowing well. A customer needs help. The experts are available. But your phone system? It's not built to connect the right people at the right time. Calls bounce, transfers lag, and the frustration shows. On-demand expert support should work exactly as it sounds, fast and direct. If it's a tech issue, a tech expert should be the one answering. If it's a billing dispute, your account specialist should be the one on the line. No guesswork, no handoffs, no waiting games. And with modern VoIP systems, this is no longer optional. It's the standard. At the epitome of this advancement stands KrispCall, an AI-powered phone system, letting your business route incoming calls based on customer intent, department, or issue type automatically. When customers call, greet them with an interactive voice menu. Press 1 for technical support. Press 2 for billing, and more as you need. No receptionist, no guesswork, just clear options. Based on their selection, route them instantly to the expert, not just any available agent, the right one. What if your expert is on another call? Redirected voicemail notifies everyone in the Department of Immediate Assistance. And reading through its AI transcript, follow-up becomes possible in less than a minute. It's not just about expert support, it's about responding with precision, speed, and confidence. That's the difference your team can deliver with KrispCall. Visit KrispCall.com today and bring on-demand support to every call.